Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless wet dry vacuum cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Eureka Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, model NEW430DL. This vacuum mop combo is designed for versatility and power, offering a strong 15,000 pascal suction and 3 cleaning modes: Eco, Dry, and Turbo. The Eco mode intelligently adjusts suction based on the size of stains, while the Turbo mode provides an extra boost for stubborn messes. It's especially effective on hard floors, tackling everything from pet hair to sticky spills. The design of the Eureka NEW430BL is user-focused, with upgraded edge cleaning technology to reach every corner. Its 770 milliliter water tank is larger than many competitors, so you won't have to stop and refill often. Plus, its self-cleaning feature flushes out the roller and tubing in just 40 seconds, and it even dries the roller with cool air to prevent odors. However, with a runtime of 25 minutes, it may not be the best option for larger homes. This vacuum is a great mid-tier option for pet owners or anyone who needs a reliable tool for daily messes. While its battery life could be longer, its strong suction and advanced cleaning features make it a solid choice. Pros include excellent suction, a tangle-free nozzle design, and a large water tank. On the downside, the 25-minute runtime and slightly bulky build may not suit everyone. At number 4, we have the Bissell CrossWave OmniForce Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum, model 3967F. This vacuum stands out for its pet-friendly features, like the patented tangle-free brush roll, which effectively lifts stubborn pet hair without wrapping. Its dual-beam fur finder headlights are a unique touch, revealing hidden messes in hard-to-see areas, such as under furniture or in shadows. What's impressive about the OmniForce is its versatility. It adjusts suction automatically for optimal results on both carpets and hard floors. And the ultra-quiet operation at just 64 decibels is perfect for households with pets or small children. It also offers cordless convenience with a 25-minute runtime, which should be sufficient for quick cleanups and everyday messes. However, this model's water tank is relatively small, so you might find yourself refilling more often. The Bissell CrossWave OmniForce is a great choice for pet owners or anyone who values quiet operation and multi-surface cleaning. Its ability to adapt to different floor types and its thoughtful pet-friendly design are major selling points. However, the shorter runtime and smaller tank capacity might be limiting for larger spaces. Pros include tangle-free technology, automatic suction adjustment, and quiet operation. The cons? Limited runtime and slightly heavier build at 10.6 pounds. Coming in at number 3 is the Bissell CrossWave OmniForce, model 3882. This vacuum offers a dedicated dry vacuum mode in addition to its wet-dry cleaning capabilities, giving you 2 powerful cleaning options in one device. Whether you're dealing with wet messes or just need a quick crumb pickup, the OmniForce delivers with 75% more suction power compared to standard settings. When it comes to design, this model is sleek and functional. It includes a self-cleaning cycle to keep maintenance hassle-free, and its tangle-free brush roll makes it ideal for homes with pets. The device also comes with Bissell's Hard Floor Sanitize formula, which can eliminate 99.9% of bacteria on sealed hard floors, making it a hygienic choice for families. However, its runtime of 30 minutes might still be limiting for larger homes. The Bissell CrossWave OmniForce is an excellent choice for those who want a versatile, easy-to-use vacuum for both small and large messes. Its standout features, such as the dry vacuum mode and tangle-free technology, make it a strong contender. Pros include excellent suction, a self-cleaning cycle, and the ability to sanitize hard floors. The cons? A relatively short runtime and a heavier weight at 10.56 pounds. Our runner-up is the Tineco Floor ONE S5, a smart cordless wet-dry vacuum designed for hard floors. This model features Tineco's proprietary iLoop smart sensor technology, which automatically adjusts suction, water flow, and brush speed based on the mess. Whether you're dealing with sticky spills or pet hair, the Floor ONE S5 makes it effortless. The design is sleek yet functional, with a larger clean water tank for fewer interruptions and a dual tank system to keep clean and dirty water separate. Its brush roller is designed for edge cleaning, allowing you to glide along baseboards and into corners with ease. With a runtime of up to 35 minutes, this vacuum has one of the longest battery lives in its category. However, at 9.46 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other models. The Tineco Floor ONE S5 is ideal for tech-savvy users and pet owners who need a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution. Its advanced features, long runtime, and self-cleaning function make it a premium option. Pros include smart sensor technology, excellent edge cleaning capabilities, and a long battery life. The cons? A heavier build and a slightly higher price point. Finally, taking the top spot is the Shark HydroVac MessMaster, model AW261. This all-in-one cordless vacuum excels at multi-surface cleaning, handling everything from wet and dry messes to area rugs. Its powerful suction and hydro mopping capabilities ensure a streak-free finish, while the Stain Boost mode delivers twice the cleaning solution for tougher spots. The Shark HydroVac stands out with its continuous self-cleaning system, which prevents dirt from being redeposited on your floors. It also features a rinse cycle on the dock, so it's always ready for its next use. The LED display is a helpful addition, showing real-time battery life and tank levels. At just 8.46 pounds, this model is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The Shark HydroVac MessMaster is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable, all-purpose cleaner for hard floors and area rugs. Its powerful suction, self-cleaning system, and multi-surface capabilities make it the best overall choice in this category. Pros include excellent cleaning performance, a lightweight design, and great value for the price. The only con is the relatively small water tank, which may require frequent refills during larger cleaning sessions. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.